Hi, this is Nick with TheRaceDeal.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a race and basically walk you through the first page of this process. The Create Race page is the current page I have here, and you'll see the first question that I am asked is what type of service I would like. You have race registration, which is your typical online registration service. You have a race deal, which I talk about in another video. And then we have a both, which is a combination of regular registration and a race deal. So I'm going to pick both, so that's already selected for me. The race name, I will just make it one, example 5K. Printable registration form. This allows you to select a printable registration form and upload it from your computer, and then that will show up on your web page. Race description. This allows you to type out or paste your description into this section right here, so that when it is put in there and your race is created, that information will show up on your web page. And you can also link to things, pictures, you can insert pictures, even video, if you are a little bit more advanced with some of those features that come with this. And if we go down here, we would select what state the race would be in. We'll just select Arizona, just for the example's sake. And here we have some questions that are just required for the race deal service. So race participation from last year, we'll say there were between 250 and 500 runners. Race discount, do 25%. And the preferred time between race deal and race day, we'll say 2 weeks. Okay. The featured race selection, what happens on a featured race is if I scroll up, actually, yep, your race, if you look at the box over here where we have some advertisements, your race profile would actually go in here, and that would happen on every page on the site, so more people will be able to reach your race, and it just gives you more exposure. This is a pay per month service, and you can see how much that costs and how it works section. Race address, we'll just set something up. Okay, we'll add a zip. And for race date, we will say June 20th. Again, now the image allows you to upload a image file for your race web page, and it'll show up. So if you have a logo, that would be a great thing to have on your web page. You can enter a waiver. We have a default waiver, but if you have one, you can copy and paste it in this section here. The giveaway is if you're giving out many races, give out a T-shirt and those sorts of things. You can do that here. I'll do one just to show it as an example. So you hit the checkbox. We'll do T-shirt, and then size small. And the number over here is just the position it'll show up in. So the small will show up first, and it'll work basically left to right from there. So if I want to add another size, I'd click the add size, medium, and again that'll show up in the second position, and large, and that'll show up in the third position. Billing name, we'll just say race deal. Again, let's make that up. So you can see it's a fairly easy process here. Nothing too complex. And once you get the bottom of the page and you've seen that everything is to your liking, you can click this continue button. Once you're there, you will go to the add events section where you add in each individual event, and that information is on our next video on how to create those events. Alright, this has been Nick with theracedeal.com. Thank you.